I'm Heidi, and Dakota's, well, this is part 2 of the spinning projector thing, okay? I'll tell you when to start.
Yeah, it's going to take a while.
You can't bounce it!
I wasn't, I was spinning!
But you were bouncing it. It was like, so take a second.
Look at that! No, look at me, but look at that. You look at that.
Go! 2, 3, 4, 6, and that's what you 5, 6, 7, 8. Why don't you just do what I do?
10.
Just switch to what I was doing. 11.
No. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32.
You're done at 32. When you just said 32, it was like 19. And when you just said 33, it was already 19.
Oh!
Okay, we'll say bye.
Emily, I can't remember my name. Dakota won this round. Well, Delilah, Nikki, Heidi win the next round. Ooh, Paul.
Paul's back. Oh yeah.
Ah!
Okay, say bye.
Bye.